looked after me since I started babysitting for them, and he's looked after my teeth all those years, and I've had quite a few problems along the way, and to have that help at such a high level, and whenever I need it. For me, like, I travel home on weekends and I'm never around Monday to Friday, so he usually squeezes me in on a Saturday afternoon or a Sunday after a roast dinner. Having any dental issues with training, it just impacts hugely on what you do, because you lose sleep. Having any sort of pain impacts on what you do, and I know I've had many problems in the past where I've had to miss a training session from having a toothache or any tooth pain. So to have good dental hygiene and to be having them looked after is really important. It's been a huge help having Nigel being so high up in his dental implantology. I had a really bad problem with one of my teeth where it needed to be removed, and I had an implant done, and it was on the run up to the Worlds in 2013, so it was a really important time for me because I was sort of just getting faster and getting some form through. So it was huge for me to have that done and have no problems with my teeth, because I know how it can set you back so much coming up to a race and in your training. It's really important to know what you're having done with your teeth, what drugs are being used. So quite often I've had to pass my doctor on the phone from British Cycling to speak to Nigel, so we know what's being used, because there's many banned substances that can't be used, which is obviously really important for me, because I have to have drugs testing and to have no banned substances in my system.
So has your partner George North benefited from Nigel's expertise?
Yes, George has benefited from Nigel's expertise, but thankfully George has perfect teeth. He's a very lucky guy.
Well, Nigel obviously has done work for Swansea City, the Ospreys, George North and yourself. Would you recommend Nigel to other sports stars?
Yes, I'd recommend Nigel to anybody I know. He's been fantastic over the years for me, and he's really looked after my teeth, and I have no problems now, so I'd recommend him to anyone.